What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people right now, people have it to say JX and Roselee plan this whole scam for a long time and them execute it, and now them want to get back together. So them never left in a real life. You see, because Roselee, when say she want to contribute to GX house and one bag of something, you know what I mean, that Ivany and GX even kick off. Me share that with Uni in the earlier video before that one, yeah. So me I say, so you have some people that discuss, but even know exactly who they are, you know what I mean. They might discuss the GX. I think Sweet Pea upon it that a GX, that the woman they ride for GX. You see me I say she did upon the panel. I think she was the host, you know what I mean, and the people them talk about where Roselee and GX are going with. You know what I mean? But me want to tell me in the comment section if you don't feel like say trick the crowd, you know what I mean. Also my people, we have we have a talk about, we have TikTok liar, a talk about the cover and style by Mish, look a saga we go on, you know what I mean. And this man here we name Japra, yeah. You see me I said that man there, we always a beat Roselee. That the man there, him a say boy, Roselee and GX plan this thing, and GX is the mastermind, and that him a say GX a big thief, you know what I mean. So people, I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section. Alright, so me been a tell you say, I don't know if you put the situation, like if people have argument or anything on TikTok, do not put it on your head and take up for your person and condemn an next person, because majority of the time the two of them in and whatever I go on, I just see alone at the fool. You see it? So anybody will contribute to any situation because them don't like one person and them want, you know what I mean, support the other just because them don't like the next person. Some of the time them get what them deserve, you know what I mean. Help people with genuine heart, you know what I mean. So me want to tell more thing. We also have more things where you know already I got me people. Me no member. You see me I say. So whatever you know here in the intro, you definitely I go see in the video. So make we get in my people.
Vanny was copying even them picture frame here, and my yard Vanny come see it. And my yard Vanny come see it and do them something. They sit there. I don't watch my Christmas tree. Me no business about that. I'm showing on my bed. Isn't this the same damn bed?
No.
Another same damn bed this. When I know see Vanny and sell out her things them other day because Vanny want to go buy oak color things. She start put them in her room already. It's the same freaking bed. She did that from I was at the last apartment.
Last one?
Nora said no. See there, she start by the same oak color things them like, why you do that, girl? I follow me.
Hey.
She was following the same shit I had. Even this. On the talk shows. You don't see something like this in a Vanny house. Y'all don't see some shit like this in Vanny house?
Hmm?
I thought it was about lashes, but she went in other shit. I'm talking about people like this not able for me. Me I come after this cause I own my house, dirty.
It's so dark.
It's so dark in here.
Yeah. I want to go get my iPad.
I don't have a problem with people being inspired, guys. But then if you come at the place, you do your ear, you do your lash, and then as soon as me see you go home, couple days after me see you open your box and something them. When you look at the same things, you set up the big clock on the wall, like what I had, like that's kind of weird and creepy. You go buy the same bed, no, that's kind of creepy.
You got my water.
Me go come off people, like too much people are coming and they say like, this, don't do this with Bonnie,
respect it to the point where I know everything for the media. You make me and Kai fall out. You. I tell you, oh, you make me and Kai fall out now. One day now. Fester. One day now. Me no remember where me supposed to go, right? Kai the hairdresser. Kai the hairdresser. Kai, she sit down and she chat you. She not like you. She said she lend you how much her money, you don't pay her back her money, and no. You want this, me girl, me a this, you because oh no man. And if me get locked up a man, she send her policeman come lock me up. Yeah. Me I get locked up and talk the things, and me not care. When me go to Jamaica, me still a clap my team, me not give a fuck. Cause you this me a this, you because one thing, me not just this people so. Alright. Kai, do me ear. Me never have a problem with Kai, do me ear yet. Never have a problem with Kai, do me ear. You treat Kai like a dog. Let's clap that. You treat Kai like dog. If Kai talk too loud in the house, you bark. If Kai no give Nara one snack when Nara asks feed, you bark. One time I remember if Nara must see the ask Kai for the pizza and Kai say no, you real up Kai, your class Kai, but you picnic and day in the house and hungry. Your class Kai, you do, you treat the boy like shit. You treat the boy like shit. You say Kai borrow how much of your money and wanna tag Kai make Kai hear the story too. You say Kai borrow how much of your money and give you back. And Kai is a little conniving and Kai have to come out of your place. That is why Kai don't live with her no more. Kai gonna Canada or wherever I'm gonna live. Why don't think Kai no live at the house no more? Why you think you see them pan live a smoke hooker no more? She run out Kai and Kai have to gone. Kai have to gone must say Canada or one different place like so for go live. You tell me how Jada Kingdom not like Kai. I call all Kai do. I walk up and down and follow back a Jada Kingdom batty. And now get paid. Remember. Oh, remember one time. I could go back down in a memory. Oh, remember one time when I forgot Disney. Yeah. I forgot Disneyland. Forgot do me ear. I forgot Disneyland. And I did want me ear for do in a one long blood clot deep wave 40 inch. Kai suggested me for do me ear in a burgundy because the color would look good. Me say me want deep wave so that when I go Disney and go in the water and everything, it will still curl up. Kai suggest for me do me ear in a burgundy. Me send Kai my money. I think Kai charge me over $1,000 for the wig and just the install for a 40 inch ear. I send Kai my money for my wig and everything. Kai send me a picture of the ear before, like when him customize it and whatever. I said, blood clot it nice, can't wait for come. Kai meet me I want hotel for do me ear because he my intern beauty. A friend, them I go through them like a thing. So him say, meet him I want hotel. I want hotel for go do me ear. When I got the hotel, I was so disappointed in Kai. It's the ear where Kai put on my head. You know what Kai do? Kai give me a deep wave ear and then add one body wave to the ear. Him have a deep wave and then add a body wave to the ear. Cause I look like the ear thin and him add a body wave to a deep wave. That can't go work. When me did see it on the camera, on the phone, it did look good. But in a person, it don't look good. It still look thin and you cannot add a body wave with a deep wave. Because if me go in the water, the body wave I go eventually.
Hey, my people, what them say? Imitation are the best form of flattery. I saw them say. Well, Ivany guide the girl yard, see what she have and like it. I'm gonna do it for her yard. She never thief nothing from her. You know what I mean? She never beg her no money to go buy what she want buy. She just see it, like it, and buy it. Enough time we got people yard and see things, you know what I mean, and buy it. You see me? So me not see nothing wrong with that, my people. More want to not tell me what you think in the comment section. Make a watch some more.
It look like one straight ear. It now go look good. Can I put it on my head and whatever? Kinda like it, me kinda not like it. It's just like a to me. When I reach and me realize that boy, me don't know what Kai do to my head. Me I say, no man, something wrong with Kai. I know Kai this, I know so Kai do my head. Me name the baby ear nail look good. Let me see if me can find it. The baby ear nail look good. Ear thin. Is a deep wave mixed with water with body wave. It just nail look good. So me send Intent Beauty I chew me Instagram they get delete. Me I send you a voice note them. Let me see if me have the message them. My Instagram in my text. My Instagram delete. I would have show you the message them out there with about the ear. Me now have it in a my Instagram delete. That a long time for go find all that now. When me did it now, me end up come live, guys. I remember me come live and me a talk about it and me say, boy, I'm not like, oh, this area look Kai, da. Me send Intent beauty it and I say, Intent, talk to Kai for me not like this. And you tell me say Kai is a thief. And you tell me say Kai take up all wig, wash the wig them and resell them and put them back on woman head. And that you tell me. And that you tell me. I saw me black Kai. And you tell me so, Intent beauty, you tell me that. When me and you talk about me ear with Kai do. Yes, Ivany, you know what Kai do? And it make me and him have problem too, and him have to leave from around me, and everybody a complain about the same thing. You tell me say Kai take up the same. Kai, we have some old wig we use already. And you tell me say Kai take up the wig them and wash them and customize them. And put them on people head. Remember, if you buy your wig from Kai and Kai go do your ear, Kai go wash the wig, Kai supposed to bleach the knot and he might put it on the head something and comb it out and do what I have to do. So by the time me reach for do my ear, me not gonna know says that old wig that you know. All me know says that old wig. Me not gonna know say that old wig unless you want a friend come tell me. All me know. Me not gonna know, cause you don't wash the wig, you don't pluck it, you don't side part it, you don't front part it, you don't do what you do, you don't hot comb it. The only thing leave after you put on the cap and put the glue and then put the wig on my head. When me come the ear I gonna look good pan the mannequin. So me not gonna know say I use wig. And you tell me say I that Kai do. Me not ask no further question. My black Kai on Instagram, my black Kai on TikTok, and my black Kai from out of my number. Cause girl like me will always pay my money. Me never yet beg them down them fee. Never. I always pay my money. I'm always tip Kai. I'm say if Kai do me that, me not rate that. Lie me I tell me name black him yet. I lie, my name black him yet. Me text her back and say here I go. Me not go ever use back Kai, you know. Me not use back Kai for so Kai go on. Someone else come. Kai must did refund me. Kai refund me about $300 half of the money. In the refund me. Intent text him and make him refund me my money. Someone else come again. And me did have to go. And me say Bumba Clat Kai alone can match up me ear for me, you know. Me will make him do me ear, but this time me gonna walk with my wig. Me don't walk with my wig. Me own a wig, so me not have no problem. Me buy my wig and everything. Me ask Kai if he can do me ear. Kai say yeah, but me have to put on a deposit. All of us me never have to put on a deposit. No, me have to put on deposit. So me say me have a problem. Right? You pay me blood clot deposit. Kai say they are Jamaica. And if you come up, thank you, this Kai say a Jamaica, and him in their hotel with Jayden Kingdom. And him go come up for do me ear. Me don't pay Kai me deposit. When the day come, Kai tell me say I have to reschedule him, can't bother come, Kai can't get no flight, da. And me text Intent beauty, and I say, boy, Intent, look like Kai mess me up again. And you tell me say Kai, I lie, Kai tell. I have to find something in my me. And you tell me say I lie, Kai tell. I say, Vany, yes, Ivany, I like Kai tell. No make Kai tell her nothing. Kai na dep on a plane or nothing na come. Me have Kai location in my phone right now. Kai itch up back at Jayden Kingdom. Jayden Kingdom when I give him nothing. Him itch up back her like him a fool. And him have to do our ear for free and the things. Them you tell me say the boy itch up back a twinkle. I say, alright, I go want me refund because imagine me a wait for you for take a flight for come do me ear that day, yeah. And you make me a wait for you only if you know say you not left out you tell me lie. Say Kai itch up back a twinkle them. And I say, alright, I so come, me text him and say me want me deposit. And so me text him and I say me want me deposit. And you say to me say, yeah, make him give me it. And I text him and him send me money, and when him send me money, I block him and I delete him. If the message is not in, I go fit in another phone. When I done, I click back my life. I have to bring it down. And I text you, I text him and say him to give me my money, and he give me back my money. I block him after. I block Kai on TikTok. I block Kai on Instagram. I block Kai off a message. I don't want to have nothing to do with Kai. That's why I block Kai. Because you tell me say I use him use, and you tell me say I have him location, him not depend on flight, him pack up a Jayden Kingdom, and Mandeville or something like that. And I said, no man, I said, Kai this me. And then 3 days after I see Kai come up. And 3 days after I see him come up and I must go to pretty ear. And I text her and I say, oh, But wait, so how can I come up for the fear here? And you tell me say that's the kind of popularity of people like them the kind run down. Alright, you dirty blood clot you. Watch this. Wait. I get into it. Alright. When Kai tell me, say, me ask Kai, say, Kai, you come do me here? Kai text me, say, him flight cancel. This is what Intent Beauty text me back and say. Don't ramp up me, not turn a light on, no suck out, no too terrible. This me, I'm not this you. This was Wednesday, July 2. Me text you, me say, Kai flight cancel. Him say, shit, me zoom it out a little. Me say, Kai flight cancel. Him say, shake my head. You text him back and said, don't tell him I told you, but he never left JA. I saw the location on his phone. I'ma show you. And you send me the location with Kai there. With Jada Kingdom.
Alright, my people. Yo, I one thing do you know. If you see Ivany a link with somebody, you know, look for before the year done, you know. She and them are go kick off, you know. Sometimes I them wrong, you see me, but it's a girl where, well, I mean, I don't know if it's some people, but she fit tone it down a little bit still, because, you know what I mean, you can't every time you have somebody link as friend, you and them kick off. Sometimes you have to just, you know what I mean, take the blame certain way and just make certain things slide.
You send me the location and say, don't tell him I told you, but he never left JA. I saw the location on his phone. I'ma show you. You show me, you say he's still at Jada house and he been there all day. Me turn to him and say, no, I know he was lying when said gonna be here 4 p.m. then said flight delay, but just no saying cancel. I'ma tell him just Apple Pay me. I go get someone here to do it tomorrow. You turn to me and say, me and him don't talk because of the ear thing and he did someone else that. I'ma say, no, Kai really been doing the most now. He gonna tell me, give him a second. He gonna see what he can do. Give him 1 hour. I'ma just ask for a refund because I know for sure he ain't taking no flight tonight. You turn and say, I smash up the phone. Yeah, tomorrow, da. I'm say, you reply to me when I say he's really doing the most, and you say he is not. He always do this shit me head. And then I start ask you, boy, if you know anybody for do me ear da. You start to me say me mute you da. Intend you walk and you chat you well like your friend them, and I saw you there chat me in your Telegram group, girl. I saw you there chat me in your Telegram group. And after you tell me them something about after you tell me them something about Kai, me black Kai, come me I say no man, I saw Kai stay. You give me used wig. After me pay me good up $1,000 for do me ear, you give me used wig. And then you're supposed to come do me ear 2 days after. And you tell me say you first you tell me say you're dep on the flight, then you tell me say the flight get cancelled. Only for Intent Beauty come tell me say a lie and just still back at Jada Kingdom. Done. I saw my black Kai, guys. That make my black Kai off of my phone. And I say, you know what, Kai, if you own a friend, I tell me that me black Kai, me not deal with Kai none all. One next mix up where you try get me now. Me I show you a liar, you're wicked now. You remember the girl, what's your name? And you have to tell the people them or you chat something like a dog. What the girl name? She a lesbian with Marky friend. I and the woman a friend. What's your name again? What the girl name on Instagram? That girl, she Marky a friend. And she married to the Bush. The Rush. You Rush a friend and you chat Rush like dog. Enough time I come up at your salon. And me I go through TikTok and I say to you, so you know, say, Rush and the wife are cuss. Why she a trouble the girl? Why the wife, that are the ex-wife? Why the ex-wife a trouble Rush? And you tell me, Savannah, and listen to the internet and Rush are the troublemaker. You, sister. You turn to me and say, Vani, no make them tell you don't know any internet and rush a trouble the girl. And you tell me, say, me don't know the people them from now. Me only see them on the internet, me don't know them story. I TikTok, me see rush up, them a pass urban page. Me see rush and one other woman who must be married. 2 of them married to the same man, a cuss. And me go and say, you know, see people them a cuss, because me know your friend. And you turn to me and say, don't look on social media because that's just social media. That's a social media thing. And you say, rush, I trouble the other wife for real. You tell me, say, every time when one of them anniversary or birthday come, Rush always I put up the other girl. And a long time she want to take the girl, man. And you tell me so. And you start telling me the story. And then I put in my little sense, then if the girl and the man did, the girl and the bush did it for true, and Rush was a flight agency or whatever she want be. And every time the bush come to her, tell her the problems them. And you and the girl a friend, and all of a sudden now you and the bush married. Yeah, that means you did want to take a girl man long time then. And that's something you start chat. And you tell me say, I Rush had the problem. I Rush always a pick trouble with the girl. Every time anniversary come, Rush put up the girl picture and I pick around the girl. And you and the people them are friend. And you sit down and you chat them. Yeah. Make we talk about the Rush sister now. We do me ear. You have one little girl that will do me ear. She girl can do ear good enough, but she take long in a people head. Sometimes I can't stand her. She take long, she take long, she take long, she take long, she take long. Alright. Oh, remember the story now. You see girl who used to do me ear, a Rush sister, you know. A Rush little sister. Right? The girl, Rush little sister will do me ear. I don't know if she ever take long or something. The last time I go down her house, she do me ear. Like a woman, they want overcharge me. I mean, they must carry one closure wig down there. And how the story go again? Like she could do the... yeah, if you go down there with one frontal, I mean, I realize that the wrong wig me pick up. Me pick up one closure wig. So the closure wig no look good because I want to look a teapot at front. So the girl said to me, say, she'll turn it in a one side part. So she go and just carry it down look a bit more, and instead of put it in the center, she'll turn it to the side and give me one side part. She goes back now and she turn it to the side. Remember, closure wig, just the front right there, so you glue on it. You don't even have a look side them. I want to look something glue on. And when me ear done, the girl want charge me one whole $100 as if me they put on a front. I say, no. No. You didn't put a full wig on my head. You didn't bleach the wig. You didn't pluck the wig. You didn't do anything to the wig. All you did was turn the wig sideways over my head, you saw. It never. I like how I prove, you know. Voila. No, voila. I like how I prove. I like how I prove, you know. Voila.
I send Apitamine all the time. I just they rent sweets up here. I just saw me do lashes. Me have a sweet, me have a shop upstairs. Like what she said on the live. So what I did if I hide? She blocked me from the live. That's what people tell me, that she leaked my address. No, she did, because I seen some of it. And me keep on a text her. I said, Vanny, when you come back, I'll do your lashes for free. Anybody a lash tech no say you can't just do lashes, pick off your lashes them and then come back, come do another set. I'm not gonna put the lashes on your lid. And that's what I told her. Well, me no know. She blocked me from the live, so me no know if I true what them man talk say. She didn't. So okay, when the Telegram group come and ask me, it's a Telegram group I'm there for a long time. Long time. Then we come and ask me one and two things in there. Sorry no? Ask me one and two things in there. And then they will come to me about the whole Vani stuff and say, why you stop the Vani lashes? They even came and asked me if I was pregnant, because Vani say our lash tech pregnant and them I wonder for me, because obviously everybody knows say me a Vani lash tech. So me I say, no, I don't mean she a talk about.
Lion wicked.
Pamela, you tell me like Vanny, you never come to me other day, come ask me for the lash them. So what are you talking about me? What are you talking about me? Saying when me come and chat Jada with you and tell you say
everything.
Vanny, remember
you want to talk first.
You're not in my fucking close friend, so you wouldn't know about the GLE. You wouldn't know about the jelly. So I'm if a bad mind if a jelly and me I drive long time, girl. Me I drive Benz from Jamaica and BMW from Jamaica. So I'm if a bad mind if a jelly.
Me we talk about the lash and then we can reach there, cause you said start from. In 10. Me not text you about me lash. And say you do me lash and one stick down so one stick out. You say fine. You're going to do it the next day. You text me the next day and say if me still a come. Me tell us I'm up on my way. You tell me say 11 o'clock. Me don't admit say yes. Me always late for come to me lash.
Yes, 100%.
Always late. My girl, if me late for do me lash, there's two things to it. Cancel my appointment or give me a late fee. Simple. You not have to have me up because me late. Me admit say yeah, me always late.
But I don't pay alone lash tech. Me have other people.
As a lash tech, if you're realizing that everybody gives somebody a grace period, 10 minutes late or 15 minutes late.
15 minutes is grace. Bunny, you're normally 2-3 hours late.
I am saying, lash tech give, you're not let me talk, girl. You're not let me talk. Lash tech give people 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then if you're seeing 15 minutes, come cancel me appointment. Cancel it. Or you tell me say you're going to give me a late fee. Why you call me in your Telegram group and you never
anybody will tell her that,
and
tell
you
him
don't know who is what
everybody
don't want to
I responded
no,
and I said me not do back your lashes. Other day when you asked me if you do back
but
your
then you not do the lash and me not come
so
to
why you come to me other day for do your lash then?
Make we talk about it. Make we talk about it because the proofs are here.
So why you come back to me other day for
no, because you're lying. Let's talk. I didn't come back to you, girl.
Oh, you want me to go back in your message and
I didn't come back to you. You didn't tell me not to come back to you. Chat, this is how it go. Make we talk about it. When we
the last time you check and you not come back to me, Vanya asked me 2 weeks ago to do your lashes. And I responded to you and say, okay.
In time, make we talk about it, go down. I ask you, you say me for come back, to come fix the lash. Me I run late, me tell you me I go turn back because you say I have somebody for do 1 p.m.
Yeah, can me tell us if you come live when you go 12 o'clock.
Okay,
if you have somebody else.
Alright, fine. You open your feelings because you don't do lash good. You can't do lash good. You do me lash fuck up, so you're supposed to open your feelings.
You want to come back, you come back all the time.
You come to do me lash because you do it fuck up, so as a client, you're entitled to do it back.
Enough lash tech
you're entitled to do it back. As a person who always late,
I'm not entitled to nobody.
We have my money. All I do is give me a late fee because I never yet beg you for do me lash. I never ask you down for your price. I always pay my money. So all you have to do was put on a late fee or cancel. Me tell you say, me I go turn back because it don't make no sense because my appointment was level and you have somebody to do at one. If me for come, it'll go be over the time. Fine, understood. I'm going to turn back. Me turn back, whatever, me reach at me yard. Me ask if you text me and say,
exactly. Are you still... If you don't do lash good, why you keep coming back?
You text me. That's the first time you never do me lash good that day, and that is the reason why I text you to come and fix my lash. What are you talking about? You do
I didn't have a problem to fix your lash. How many times I told you to come back?
You asked me to fix the lash.
But when I was doing your lashes, Bonnie, what did I say to you? Me over your arm and say, Bonnie.
After that, we not hear what she say, no. She mute herself. We not hear what she say. We not hear what she say. After that, guys, she text her and say, are you up? Me I come. She say, yeah, me can't come. Me don't know something must catch me that cuss off the boy up on the internet. Too much of that go. I couldn't get to go do my lash. Me tell her, I say, listen, me go pop them off and me put on my strip lash, da. She text me and say, you still have on your lash them because you go fill them. Me they already pop them up.
No. Let me correct you right there. I asked you that question because me have other appointments. So instead, the time when me want to figure, if me I give you one time to fill Vanny, I can fill you in 40 minutes, 1 hour. If me I go do a full set, me go need to give you a 2-hour time base. You don't know
about that, girl.
Wish you never reach in time. So me up here make time for what me I do.
Never say no, girl. What you're saying in a sense, because me never say this, me never say that. You ask me if me still have a lash, me say no. You tell me, say, Vani, you can't go do them because I pick them up. I need to buy serum and I need to come back to you on the 22nd for do my lash. Me reply and I say, okay, fine. Me buy the serum and I go and put them on and
that's what me I tell you, say, me never they chat the girl in a no telegram group. Somebody came and asked me a question. And them I say, Vani over. Wish I know first person come to me. And then first person, go ahead.
She don't want to talk because she knows she wrong. She don't want to have a conversation.
Wrong?
She listen to comments. Yeah, try draw from the conversation.
No.
Anyway,
that's not me.
Because if you want to talk to the people them here, you would have stop. Listen to the people them where you talk foolishly.
Alright, go on, talk.
Because about now, and she said, come back the 22. Me agree. Say, alright, me come back the 22 for do me lash. Something come up and me have to go out. Me don't know how intense she said she go do your lash that day she go on do your lash because me yeah them people. Me go so back now. Me Google one girl, me find somebody where to do my lash. The girl do my lash, me go about my business. Bear in mind, the woman said, if I come back there's two times, she'll give me them free. I go back the second time, she do me lash free. I go back the third time, she do me lash free. I think me did text her again that I intend and ask her, say, when me can come do me lash. Am I wrong to text this lady and ask her when me can do me lash? Or because me go to somebody else to do me lash again? Not disrespect, never in that. You could have said simple tell me how you feel, say, Vani, as a person we're cool with you should have did wait for me. And I like say, and the only reason why I post the girl, because the girl do me lash them for free.
Bunny, I never had no problem with you going to another lash trick. That's not me. I don't care. Me always find dangerous of you. Me always find dangerous at them something they go for me have a problem.
Alright then, fine. Alright, fine chat. After me do me lash them, me never go back to she. Me go do me lash them somewhere else. Me end up text her back because all in my mind me and age cool. So me say, alright, me text her back for do me lash. Me don't remember what she said. You remember what you said about the lash. Me end up go back at the other lady. After that I'm done, everything done. Me know say something wrong because me see Adrian text me. One time she replied to me when she replied about my nails, them say, no Vanya. I say, oh, you know like my nails or something. She not really text me no more. So me kinda know say something wrong, but me just could put my finger upon it. Me not really text Adrian either. She not text me back, fine, it done. One day somebody come on my page and keep on and say, I've on Adrian chat boy in a group. Me block them. I over 10 smiley me block. Cause me I say, on a stop trifle, make me and the girl that things me and her not have nothing. Because really and truly, me no know say me and her have nothing. One girl comment on the live now and say, Adrian in a group a chat you. And I say, no man, when I look on the page is a real page. So that's when I text her and I say, Adrian, why everybody keep on a comment on the live? I say that. She text me back and say, that's when everybody be sending her to say me I talk about the lash Eva Taja no. When you say Eva Taja no, that means
no, that's not what I meant when I said
so
Taya.
Alright.
To them me a Taya reason. So when I said that, me mean call Taya and then you hear all the whole thing go.
Alright then, alright. You said that then. Alright, fine. Guys, me I'm gonna listen this way I want girl tell me to go up on urban page. Bear in mind, me never get forgot about go do my lash because me could wait on this 20 seconds for do my lash because I want to go about my business. You know text them back, me text them back, me go on different lash take. Me never have a problem. I've never disrespect you. Only if you come hear the words where you say, listen what we intend to say.
Friends, we cool. And all of that. But I decided not to do that Vani lashes because Vani always have to cut her lashes them. And when she comes, she have some big gap and space. And Vani wants to do the most on her lashes them. And she cannot get that look. So she did come for her birthday and she never get the look what she want because I don't tell her, you pick out your lashes them, your two lash are gonna be different. She go up on the internet. She did up on her live and people your two lash are gonna be different. She go up on the internet. She did up on her live and people ask me what the Vani lashes them. I tell her how much time to come fix them. First of all, when Vani book her appointment them, Vani don't want to come. If you tell her 1 o'clock, Vani will come 4 o'clock. Like I don't be sitting down here not doing anything. I got shit to do.
Okay, thank you.
She texted me about last week and asked me if I lashes them. I was like, okay.
You could have simply said to me as a friend, say, Vani.
My people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section because boy this blew out of proportion me feel like, you know what I mean? So let me know what you think.
In your house, me know how in your house look. Me could talk everything go down in a line because I never ask to come and knock your yard. Yard lash is supposed to have a place to come. Wrong or right shot. Yeah, the people lash. You're not supposed to hire a hot girl. You're not supposed to go rent one little place and can do somebody lash. She move me have her current address, but I go talk about it and we go down in it. Which part she do no lash them nowadays, she blood clot live. She live upstairs. And I trick with the about that. Well I know. Girl, don't make me rush me talking. Make me take time getting night. Here's a lash taker, here's a girl with money. You're supposed to have your own place. And your yard, you do lash. So obviously I dem me have to come. But come there, me do me lash. One day, I have someone important. I don't remember what I did have to do, you know, or what I did have to go, but it was very important. I did have to go. I couldn't carry ice. I asked her first of all, I didn't ask her to keep ice. I asked her, do you know any daycare or anybody that I can pay to keep ice? You tell me so you can't keep ice for me. You tell me so you can't keep ice for me. When you keep ice for me, I was so upset. I want to rub out your blood clot, but me I say, I know everybody me rub out on the media. See if I like you, I'm respect you. Me will keep you on a respectful level. You see if me feel like I can trigger, me will trigger for you. Me like and me respect and me keep her on a level. There is so many things she do when me can come on the internet come cuss, but I'm not come about it. Never. I left my pitney with you, and you left the 2 kids them unattended and make Nara show all sort of something on my pitney head. It could have been bleach. It could have been bleach. It could have been blood clot, alcohol. You know, watch your pitney them. You never watch Nara. Nara do as she feel like. Me leave ice in a year care for go about my business. And the only thing I came back to see was a video of you posted it on social media. Oh, Nara must take one powder and duck it in my pitney head and duck it all over my pitney face. Because you is a person that don't watch the kids. What you do is lay down in your bed and dip on your phone and the pitney them do as them like. You know, watch pitney. You make them do as them like. Me no remember when Nara fling off per ice. Me never take it lightly. It could have been bleach. And it could have been blood clot, alcohol. It could have been something where you put on careless to burn up my pitney. Me never take that as a joke. And the fact that you put it on social media before you send it to me never rate that. Still never make it a problem. I didn't come on the internet and curse. I even repost it and just laugh it off so it no look no way. Me never come on the internet. You never hear me come on the internet come talk about it. Me never throw shade about it. Me no make no telegram and talk about it. Me no have no friend where me sit down and chat people with so them can come betray me and come chat me back on the internet. Me hold it in my heart and me just say, you know what? Me just now gonna make she kick back my son. It done. Me and a friend and thing in my mind. Me don't even speak on it. Me don't even tell her how me feel. Me just make it done. It done and gone. One next time again, me for go somewhere. You tell me, say, you will make one lady named Nadine, your mother-in-law, keep my pitney. My left eyes down there. Every time I left eyes down there and come back, my pitney skin red and full of be a bump. Me don't know if I the bath where she a be in a dirty or where she a game or where she a use pan him skin. Every time my son come back, I be a bump, red bump, eczema, take him off, all sort of something pan him skin. I say, no man, I not send him back down there no. The last time I send him down there, the woman charged me. I remember how much she charged me. I'm going to pay the woman her money in full. The woman know me, you know. She know about me because she asked me for help her monetize her page. As somebody will watch it on TikTok, she know about me. True, the woman know about me. After I pay the woman I try to scam me. The woman want $150 for me. Or $100, one of them. I pay her my money already. And I always give her a little tip and the woman I go behind the tip when I give her and behind the money when I pay her for keep ice and I go ask her for your extra $100. I text Inten and I say, Inten, I don't like that. I don't like the fact that I paid you the amount that I'm supposed to pay you. But because you know about me and you know me up on the internet, you're asking me for money different from what I paid you. Now, in a feel like we actually are the business. It's like, yeah, be professional. Don't want to come beg me money on the side. Because if I did I work with some foreign people, you could have begged them bills. And it get annoying to me. She keep on ask my feet. I tell Inten, go back, go to the woman, come back, come tell me, say, the way, oh, Inten tell her, Inten sit down and chat me. Inten tell me, say, oh, she said she don't know if she want to keep ice again, because she never asks if you no money in and away. The woman say, Inten tell her, say, if me no know, say, me will cuss her up on the internet, don't ask if you no money, because Vani can't tame. The woman rate me to a max, the woman come back, come tell me everything what Inten tell her. Me never make it be a problem. Me turn to love her, me say, love, I send back ice down there in a LT. In no healthy none time, I now send back my pitney down there. If I pick up ice all 3 p.m. the woman I come from 8 a.m. I ask her when I go and pick up ice, I don't have time. Start give me attitude just because I get $100. Me say, love, if I na keep ice, me can't pitney clutch back at me. Me now go down there. Me now put back ice down there. Boop, that done and gone. She asked me for keep Nara one time so she could have go have rum punch, go have fun. Girl, Nara was well taken care of. Beard Nara. Put her Nara clean clothes then when she come in her. Nara have on the TV in there. Me and Ice have to cuss the whole night because Ice aggressive. Every minute him push down Nara, me have to lick him down and tell him leave Nara alone. Told me respect you and your pitney. Nara has never been seen in my life. Me dey on my life and me I make my money same way. I've never put Nara in my screen. I don't even say Nara, I don't even call her name for make people. I saw me call her Nara. Me don't even call her name so people can know see she there. And people hear Nara voice and find out see Nara. Me never post say me keep Nara for you. Me never put Nara in my video. Me never call Nara name for my life. Me have buy food and get ice and Nara and them sit down and eat. Me never show Nara. Me never show me respect it to the point where I know everything for the media.
That's all let me a chat you, or that's all let me answer a question. Which one? That's all let me a chat you?
No, we're not finished, baby. You just
That's all let me a chat you?
No, it's not finished yet. I'm gonna play, but I'm just saying because you bought me out there, so now me have to butt mine too. You say, okay, fine. If you feel like you don't need to wait for me, as two persons, I've never disrespect you in no form of way, never try to put you in a drama. You could have at least said to me, say, Vani, this is my business. Me now go mix business with friendship. You keep on a come to my place late and me can't accept that. It's either you go start come on time or me have to go charge you a late fee. All you had to do was come up front with me and say that rather than being in a one group and a talk about me, hear the rest of something where you're going to say about me and somebody when I diss you.
I'm just not gonna do that. Vanny lashes. We can't take the energy. We can't, like, you know, Vanny can't see him. I'm in the pan that social media. So
everybody knows you can't see him, Bonnie.
That's fine. Mind you,
who do you not come for? Who do you not come for on the internet?
Hold on, let the people them hear. Why are you trying to not let the people them hear? So you never know, so me can't see
them. Them can go over Urbana page, go hear it, you know, Dede.
You sound guilty. We want to hear it.
I can't see him.
Bonnie, I told you, I said,
let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Like, you have to just find somebody else, and that's fine. Mind you, when you asked me to do your lashes them last week, when after you never come back for your birthday to come redo your lashes them, which I offer you to do them for free, you never come back to see you Ghana or a lash take about 3 times after that. Why do you think you have to come back to me, you know? Me and Vanny was never.
So you never know, so I can't tell when you left Nara for sleep on me yard.
You said how many times Ice been at my house?
You never know, said dirty, stinking girl. You never know, so I can't
how many
some blood clot, your dog shit.
How many times?
Oh, you left your pitney and you have to sleep and you're not trusting.
You need to go buy her fantasy box and clean up your done work. Go stop your mother dirty.
On my life still, I finish this to come. Your voice on Telegram, I said, me can't tame. And I used stop do my lashes them. The last time I check, I mean, I come to you for do my lashes them. But I go finish listen what I have. Because I notice saying I reply to my story no more. And I notice saying I really text me no more. I don't really text you either. But I never know say me I have something. I know say some fake pages keep on come to my live. I text me say, so what me I have. I feel like people just try to mix me and something, I keep and I block them. But now I see one girl comment on the live and the girl will comment is not a fake page. So that's why I'm text you now and say, hey, why everybody on my live keep asking me what me and you have? First it used to be fake pages, But now you are make it so like nothing wrong. But when me I listen to Telegram group or something different. But me will keep listening and come back. Me could start over, guys. Wait. I saw people, so that means you have me up for like, poor me not evil there, so no say me you have no Imagine me a black people chat, I saw people stay. I saw people wicked. Imagine, chat be real. Intended beauty. How much time people, moderator me no want no black nobody. No black nobody. How much time people come for my live? Come tell me say, what do you mean wait for her respond? Why would I need to wait for her respond in an Instagram message when I'm hearing this for myself? And the people that want me block, the people that talk truth. If me hold on, me play it again. Talk truth. Cause me can't believe if people that will come for my life, I tell me say what me and intern beauty have. What me been I say to say, me and her not have nothing. I'm a black. Cause me and her genuinely not have nothing. If we want to get into the lash thing, we're going to get into the lash thing. We find a new we'll get into it. Voila. Let me listen what intense say. Because the prove
was never friends.
And me can't tell him.
No, and everybody you consider as friends. We cool. And all of that. But I decided not to do Vanny lashes because Vanny always pick out her lashes them. And when she comes, she have some big gap and space. And Vanny want you to do the most for her lashes them. And she cannot get that look. So she did come for her birthday and she never get the look what she want because I don't tell her, you pick out your lashes them, your 2 lashes are going to be different. She go on the internet. She did up on her live and people them, your 2 lashes are going to be different. She go on the internet. She did up on her live and people ask me what did the Vanny lashes them. I tell her how much time to come fix them. First of all, when Vanny book her appointment them, Vanny don't want to come. If you tell her 1 o'clock, Vanny will come 4 o'clock. Like I don't be sitting down here not doing anything. I got shit to do. So anyways, she texted me about last week and asked me if I do her lashes them. I said, okay. I'm just not gonna do that body lashes. We can't take the energy, we can't, like, you know, Valley can't see him. I'm not depend that social media something there. Like, you have to just find somebody else, and that's fine. Mind you, why you asked me to do your lashes then last week when, after you never come back for your birthday, to come redo your lashes then, which I offer you to do them for free. You never come back to see your Ghana other lash take about 3 times after that. Why you think if you come back to me now? Hell no. Me
So Intent Beauty, I saw you did one blood clot hypocrite. Yes, I hypocrite. Me never not say yes, I hypocrite. I don't know why my mouth get loose, you know. I don't know why my blood clot mouth get loose, because I'm afraid of that girl. I'm going to talk things. So see, I'm like, I saw you sit down and chat me. I'm going to talk Ty and Jada Kingdom, make we talk about it. Everybody, since you play hypocrite, enough things I got to talk about. I'm telling you, no ramp with me, you know. You no ramp with blood clot me. Because you know me from Adams, much less Eve. You know for play with me and know my mouth in a giant church. What you talk about, girls? Are you a hypocrite? Yes, a blood clot. I say you could have killed me, I mean, know. You have me up in your heart. You hear everything what she say? You have me up in your heart. If you want, furthermore, I could get into it. Alright, boom. The part where she said we come late, that's true. That's true. Every time I come 1 o'clock, and I always late for true. I will late. Brother, if I late, give me a late fee. I never beg for pay. She charge $180 for the lash, $175, and sometimes she will say she'll take off some money off it. I never ask her. From the day I know that girl, I never beg her to me lash them for free. I never beg her to me lash them for free. I never ball down her price yet. If I that feet, at that feet. If I come, I'm late. There's two things you do to people when they're late for their lashes. One of them, you cancel the appointment, or 2, you just put a late fee. Wrong or right? Wrong or right? If me late for 1 lash, 1, you just cancel my appointment, or 2, you just give me a late fee and me will pay it. No problem no in that. No problem no in that. You don't ever talk to me, say, boy, Vani, it's getting annoying to me. I have to just tell me, say, Vani, you have to go work by your time. You're always late. It'll get annoying to me. I'm going to start charge you for your late fee. Girl, simple and that. You have to know how to communicate with people. I go to book now. I go up at Intent, I do my lash for my birthday. Everybody know I always pick up my lash them. Nothing new. Today, see me in this fusion I do. Tomorrow, we call this cluster, I put them on myself. Tomorrow, I might pick them out. I don't have no control of me picking up. There's 2 things I do. Naturally. I have a thing for pick out my ear side, and I have a thing for pick out lash. That's just me. I pay my money. If I pick up my lash, we're picking out my lash, I have to do with you. If I come back to you, I'm in on a lash, just tell me say I'm in on a lash. Fine, I go find somebody else who can put in the lash, or I put in it myself. It shouldn't be a problem if I want to pick up my lash, because I'm spending my money each time I come back, right? No problem in that. The day I come, one time I go up our place, and I do my lash. I'm my birthday lash. One of my lash then they look away. I remember how I lash then they look. One of them they look. Let me see if me. What? I say, I know, I can't believe, sir. I so Intent deal with me. No, sir. So Intent deal. I can't till now, I can't believe I say, woman, a snake under grass for true. Say you really have a problem. I sure no Intent low key and mix up. Well, I get into everything. I'm the wrong person, girl. I mean, I beg you no nothing. Never yet beg you, I mean, no itch up, I mean, no fall back on. I mean, no want in on the circle. I do my lash, I go about my business. That's about it. Me always do my lash and I go about my business. Me no itch up and beg up under uno. Me glad me a girl whenever me. And when I ask her for keep ice, I always say for pay. Me have my receipt them can show. I always say, me will pay. You always say, no man, you will do it.
Everyone.
Me no know, remember, me no know for find it. Remember when me did do my lash for my birthday, right? Something did wrong with my lash. Me no remember what GX move your dirty suck could and call my phone. Go ahead. If I mess, I go call blood clot Roselee. Hold on chat. I can black GX off on my phone. Yeah, call my phone. remember when me did do my birthday lash. So
People, what more want to say? Seeing why these people always go in a group chat, go chat people, and then them know say it a go come out and the people them a go see it, and them still do it. See, the next thing more I say, Ivany a star. Ivany is a celebrity. So whether Ivany want late or early, you accept her and do her thing and just know say I saw it go. As she said, charge her a late fee and she will pay her money. You know what I mean? Cause she's a celebrity. You know what I mean? It's not like says a local ordinary person. You see it, so I saw people were popular celebrity, them always late here, man. You see me? So tell me what you think, me people, and make you watch some more.
but when me did do me lash them, where my come from? Where my come from? You remember one time I did do me lash them, something I did do me lash my birthday. It ain't do good. Me don't know what they do it if they two go up or somebody do a lash for your birthday and for your whole night. Me just try fix it, try fix it. Can't fix the lash. This was the message. When I go up on Intent Beauty. Because girl, if you have something with me, all you have to do is text me. Me not do hypocrite. Me not do hypocrite game. See me lash, me do me lash. One of them just stick them. It just. You see that? The part I done you saw, they just stick down like all right, just stick out. It not have a little bending to it. It just stick out. I go sub up. Let me see if I can find a message about the lash. I should have know so you have me up from me see you now text me and reply to my story them. Hey Jamaican people them wicked. I text her and I say, I don't lie, but this is December 7. I take my voice note. No, I didn't say what me can do to the right hand side. In the middle part of the lash, it stick out. Me go show you. I'm going to send the video when I show you. She texts back and she said, you can't come fix whatever you say have to fix tomorrow. Because I can't hear your voice now. She said she can't hear the voice note. Me can come tomorrow, come fix the lash because she did a rum punch. That was December 8th. This is how my lash did look. You see how the lash look? This is when you're alright and this is when you stick out at the front. Right? So me text her, ask her she can't fix it. She said if you come tomorrow, she did a rum punch. Me say, but what time can come early? So me say, yeah man, go and enjoy. She said 12:01. Then she replies, I brush it up. December 8th now, I send her one voice note. Morning, yeah, me did brush it up, but no, it's still not, me gotta try brush it up. I used to when me I try brush it up so much time, it start hot, it start make my eyelid hurt me. So I'm going to try it again. I wonder what do I for true. She probably sick. No, sir, I feel sick or something. We are trying getting it enough to see what really caused the problem. And if everybody come, me couldn't understand too. Intent Beauty text me back and say, good morning, okay, tell me what time you want to come. Then she said, between, I don't know what BTW mean, whatever, BTW. My makeup girl wanna do your makeup for your birthday, The girl will do my face, Yeah, no, the hairstylist in Atlanta will take walking. That's when me I try look at hairstylist, me and her talk, I say, I go beard and come now. And then I say, can't get none, me I go do my ear myself. Me did I try to go fix my ear. Remember, say my ear, me have problem to fix my ear for my birthday. So me don't have time for no lash. So I say, me go and beard and come, but me I try to find somebody to do my ear. So I say, me don't do my ear myself. You do yourself. This is what me and her talk about ear. Makeup girl, I wanna do your makeup for your birthday. I think me end up go fix the lash. Me I try to get it right, because them about ear. Set up the appointment in field. She nice and something. Could skip out them. Them about ear. Alright, this is still December 8th now, But the time is 7:46. I said to her, I say, you home? She said,
No, me down on the road because I feel like, I think you never better come. So me down on the road because I have friends over tonight for me a host. So, the only next bet is for you to come early in the morning, Bonnie. You gotta be on time.
that at the 8th, me did have things to do early for my birthday in the morning. So I text her and I say, no, I go somewhere. It's okay. Remember, say me lash them done do already, you know. It's just that one of them stick out. So me not gonna miss what me have to do in the morning for go fish the lash. It wasn't a big deal. I said to her, I say, it's okay. Me I go deal with my business. Me never vex about a lash or no. Me send one voice note.
No, it's alright. Me I just take them off and put on few me strip lash them.
That are the local lash them when me I sell. Me sound like my vex or no?
No, it's alright. Me I just take them off and put on few me strip lash them.
It done. She said use a fan and a brush and brush them up. They just need to brush properly with a fan. And then I say, alright. In the morning I say, hey boo, you wake up. She said, hey, just wake. You wanna come now? I say, yes, morning. She said, okay, reach by 11. Me lock off. She said, okay, reach by 11. I say, alright. She said, hey, where are you? I say, on way. How far? I have someone at 1. I said, damn, alright, just forget it. Cause me dep on my way already, you know. And she said, I have somebody at 1. So I said, damn, alright. I said, damn, alright, just forget it. Me no near, I go turn back. I just left out. And if you tell me say you go to somebody at 1, and by the time if you go reach up your yard for do your me lash, it probably be about 1 o'clock or them time there. So I say, it's alright. Me I go just turn back, nothing wrong. She said, how far? It will only take 30 minutes to fix. Anyways, when you know upon my birthday, me and the boy I did a kick it off and thing. Me never reply back to her because I upon live a cuss the way everybody know upon my birthday, the showdown with Guan. I remember no about lash girl. Me upon live a trace. The boy me did a fuck on a class and I go on it me thing. I make one video. I post it for my story. I still look good in a blood clot with the lash them. Anything look like it actually the lash them the kinda alright. Not never that obvious or nothing for my vex bone. I never vex bone no lash. It me look good same way and about my birthday and I enjoy myself. Nothing wrong. She replied to it and she said, your next set is free or if you can make it on time tomorrow. Me reply and me say,
But I know so me end up then it and it kind of look good. But yeah, me I go come back. Hold on,
smile.
But people, more to tell me in the comment section. See, if you pay for something and you pay the full money, you not beg none, you not beg it rare, whatever. Don't fear. And I feel if you do whatever you want to do with it. If you buy something from a person and mash you up today and dash you away, you know what I mean? I feel one that the person then is supposed to have no issue with it, right? So all this woman that talk about Ivany picking out her lashes and ray and this and that and blah. You do it how you can do it if she keep picking it out. You know what I mean? You make sure know say, yo, you keep doing this to it and me can't get it like how you want it. And the reason being is because you pick it out every minute. So you have to just work with the way me do. Because that's how me can do it because you pick it out, whatever. You see, we don't like people who try to own up things what them do for you, where you pay for your service. You know what I mean? Make me know want to think, my people.
Really nice something. Then I text her. She said she will do it for me after the next day. I can come in now. That up on my birthday, December 9. Now at December 11. So I want hairstyle. I send her one girl. I like. So I go. No, the lash. I send her the lash. Say someone want the lash. I text her December 11. I say, hey boo, can come tomorrow? She said, you still have on lashes, right? I text back and I said, no. She said, okay, come the 22nd of December. This December 12, you know. Me want my lash them do. She tell me say, come December. Okay, come the 22 of December. You just pop them out, so I wouldn't recommend adding back lashes now because you won't have enough lashes to add to. See if you can get a lash serum as well to put on them. But I she reply and she said, so me text her back and I said, no, I can pay for it. And then I said, if you available for today, because remember she said, should I do them for free The next day, I know my text her, we are December level, and she tell me say December 22. Obviously, I want go somewhere or whatever, but she say me pop them out, so she can't go do, she can't, me probably not have no lash for do them. Remember, I free she want do them for me. Well, want my lash for do. My lash them never, my lashes are never that crazy when me can't have any lash in my eye. Them. Me no pick out my eyelash where me can't have eyelash in. Me not mad smart if you sit down and pick up my lash them where me can't even do my lash them. It never that bad. So I said to her, I said, alright, forget about if you do it free then, I can pay then. Me willing for pay, forget my lash done because me want to go about my business. Me still never make it be a problem, you know. She said, me say if you're available to me, send her one voice mail.
No, me would make you well I'm mute. Me would come do it for free. Cause me did have them in, you know. Me did have them in, but you know me still me pick them out. Me did have in them, then did full. Where is it?
This is not no, let me pause the story. This is no misunderstanding. Me I go play one Telegram voice note where Intent sending a one group. Intent have me up to me go one next. She not ready to do the lash cause the lash. She claim to say my lash them pop out. Me now go wait for she till my eyelash grow back. Me have places for go. So I find somebody else who willing to put in the lash. And that's how come I find the new lash tech where do me lash. So I look like I true that Intense Beauty Vex because I go one different lash tech. So now come tell me about misunderstanding. And even though I got one new lash tech, and I say me drop her or anything, that lady is not my personal lash tech. I just too intense now. I go do it because she want them to grow back and me can't wait for her. So I find somebody who willing to do it during that time. So Anna like say me drop her. Me not drop her. But she have me up because me got do her. Me never know say woman have me up, you know. The amount of people come tell me and me block them. And me just hear the proof. The woman say me can't tape. Me I see what me couldn't understand where I come from. Alright, when finish the
verse. Them over, you have to just do one eye at the tip, this other side. Everything they full.
Me can't believe Intent.
Me just end up. You know me I always pick them up before time, so me did just pick out the whole of them.
Oh no, me can't believe.
But me would have, if me that pay feature, if you're available, you see the video when me send you that wispy look, them me that want to do that wispy look there long with bottom lash.
Me never know so intense would I really diss me in her life to blood clean. After me said a voice note, you know, she said, me have to play everything so I don't have an understanding of what I want. She said this.
It's not about paying for it. The look that you want, you pop out your lashes them, you pull off the lash them. You're not going to be able to get that look there because you pop off, like, me can't put the lash them on your eyelid. So you need some time to grow back the lash them.
Alright, that's what she said. And then me must send, I say, dead with laugh, yes. So me send one message December 13. Me say, dead with laugh, yes. So me I go wait. And then me say, boy, you have more cream or face cream I always use. Because me need a pack just in case that. Then we are talk about, this is when we are talk about face cream. And go down. Hold on. So we are talk about care. We are go down to December. We are go down to December 16. December 25, December 26, I tell her congrats. She put up one car, I say congrats. And I replied to Nara stuff them. It come down to January 3. When I tell her, I said, girl, I come buy more skincare. January 4, I ask her back for the daycare info when Nara go. Coming down to January 19. That last message at January 19, when I post my nails them. And she said, her last message was nope, Vani. Me still, look, man, and when I time, probably I intended that 8 for me, so nothing wrong with my nails, them. Look at my nails, them. Something wrong with my nails, them. Me post my nails and my nail tech do. And my nail tech, this will always do my nails, them. And I'm same nail tech, me put on Intel Beauty where do fair nails, them now. And me post my nails. Me should have know something wrong from you, so. And she replied to my nails and said, nope, Vani. She replied and said, nope, Vani. And I said, no like. Done this so. Now, let me make you understand now. After that, now, me and her never text back this so. January 19 was the last me text Intent. You know, so me lucky, you know, say something wrong. But me still did go on. Me I wonder if my mind tell me, because Intent Beauty has somebody will watch my story and reply back to me and thing. And she normally we just text me and check up on me like, me feel like a girl, I want a real girl, you know. Me not see none of them there are coming in. I mean, low key, I said to myself, say something alright, but me just now load it up and me just now go text.
Alright, my people, so here we go. We'll watch a bit more of this and then we're going to move on to the next. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section.
Sorry, I'm bad her. So I just stay in my local lane and I go and do my thing. I still watch her story them to me start to reply back to her story them because I kind of feel out the energy. But me up on my live now chat. When I look one page comment on me live and say, are we intend beauty have somebody in a telegram group they in a telegram group a chat you. So me run them way. Me run where smarty and me block them cause in myself me learn have no before me even reach right there so. Before me even reach right there so. After me done now and me that's not come yet. One time me and her done text bolash and whatever. Me can't wait. Me can't wait till my lash them grow back. As you say, if you go do my lash. Me find one different lash them. If you do my lash. Watch this. Cause me I talk a story too fast. Me could go in it. Hold on. Me find one different lash tech now. For do my lash. Right? A different lash tech when me find now where do my lash. I should do my lash them pretty so. Tell me. So Intent Beauty we could do my lash them. I got one next lady and she do my lash them. Look at my lash them.
With your raggedy ass.
The same lash them what Intent says she can't do because they not grow. I find somebody else who can do them. Look at my lash. Look at me lash them. Me lash them not do good and nice. I find one pregnant woman. Where do me lash them? Bro, I've never come on the internet come say Intent can't do lash. Me never yet style Intense like she do me lash and it not do good. I always hype up Intense about her lash. Me just find somebody at the time for do me lash. About 3 times I ever got that woman here. I pay the woman 1 time and make the woman get too much followers. The woman tell me say, me 2 second lash them when me I go do, she now go charge me. And I let me gone forever, you know, and she would even know that. If first time I got the woman, and I do me lash them, and I tag the woman get too much followers over Instagram. The woman said me next 2 appointment them, me now for PR. I go back the second time I free, me get me lash them done. I go back the 3rd time I get me lash them free. You know the reason why me didn't go back again, the woman gonna have baby. The woman gonna have baby. So now, after that done and gone, she do me lash them 3 times, me like them, whatever. Me still not even realize the internet text me or nothing, because she have feelings for that. I go so back now, me on my TikTok. You know, say from where they have be a fake page, I come to tell me say Intent, when me a Intent have. But me can't, you know, so I been did for text her, come here and say, why, this sound weird. What a coincidence out of everybody in the world. Why didn't you just keep on and say, why me a Intent in or something? And you know, so I block a fake page them, come here and say a fake page and it look like you no one get me in a problem. So me all block them. I block them. Today again, one combo me again. Me start class them and say, me a Intent Beauty a friend. And so me say, you know, me say me a Intent Beauty a friend. If she call me right now, say if you keep Nara, me we keep Nara. If me call her, say she can't keep ice and she not busy, she will keep ice. Uno now go mix me. I'm a classy people them and black them, you know. Call me and say people, they come like people they want to draw me in some fuckery. Now me just come for my live now, say me go start me look at makeup and come make me look at money. Me see one girl comment say, Vani, where your Intent Beauty have them a chat in a Telegram. When me click a girl page, our page is not a fake page. I so come now, me go so book now. And I say, alright, that me go up on urban page yet, you know. Me text her instantly. Come here say, no man, it sound weird. So I said to her, I say, hey, hold on. So I said to her, I say, I text her just a while ago. And I say, hey, why everybody on my life keep asking me what me and you have? Then I say, first it used to be fake pages and I block them. Now some other pages with followers keep saying it on my life. This was her response. Let me show you and then I'm going to listen over Urban post. This was her response. She said, well, it's the same people them sending me stuff from the other day that you was dissing the lashes I did for your birthday and some shit. You can ask even Taja. So me explain to them to lashes thing and say if I saw me now do back your lash. Alright, that I wish she just tell me say that I wish she just reply to me and say she say no. Furthermore, Taja is another friend of where we have. How the hell you and Taja even talk about it before me? Now me, I should have come to ask. I've never said anything about her, we can put my life on it so you don't have a proof. The body can show you no proof. Say me did that. Show me proof where somebody come say me fuck up the lash. You just listen to ear say. Because me over here, and I ear say me I block the people them. So she send me the message here. Then somebody say, Vani, go on Urban page and listen to the Telegram. And at this me go over Urban go here. Listen. Fine, but me go up on Urban page. This time when me go over Urban go here. Listen what the woman say about me.
I know, and everybody you consider as friends, we cool. And all of that. But I decided not to do that Vani lashes because Vani always pick out her lashes them. And when she comes, she have some big gap and space. And Vani want to do the most on her lashes them. And she cannot get that look. So she did come for her birthday and she never get the look what she want because I don't tell her, you pick out your lashes them, your two lashes are going to be different. She go on the internet. She did on her live and people them, your two lashes are going to be different. She go on the internet. She did on her live and people ask me say what did the Vani lashes them.
I'm going to rub you out now, girl.
First of all, when Vani book her appointment
I rub you out for
Vani don't want to come.
And you chat Jada Kingdom like dog and you chat Kai me. I'm going to rub you out like a dog. Here, I keep Vani in my house. Hold on. Make we listen to the voice now. I rub you out.
Me and Vani was never friends. I know, and everybody you consider as friends, we cool. And all of that. But I decided not to do that Vani lashes because Vani always pick out her lashes them. And when she comes, she have some big gap and space. And Vani want to do the most on her lashes them. And she cannot get that look. So she did come for her birthday and she never get the look what she want because I don't tell her, you pick out your lashes them, your two lashes are going to be different. She go on the internet. She did on her live and people them, your two lashes are going to be different. She go on the internet. She did on her live and people
you chat niche too, I never done you. Watch.
First of all, when Vani book her appointment them, Vani don't want to come. If you tell her 1 o'clock, Vani will come 4 o'clock. Like, I don't be sitting down here not doing anything. I got shit to do. So anyways, she texted me about last week and asked me to do her lashes them and I said, okay. I'm just not going to do that Vani lashes them. We can't take the energy. We can't, like, you know, Vani can't see them. I'm not depend that social media something day. Like, you have to just find somebody else and that's fine. Mind you, why you asked me to do your lashes them last week when after you never come back for your birthday to come redo your lashes them, which I offer you to do them for free. You never come back to see you gonna add a lash take about 3 times after that. Why do you think if you come back to me, you know? Hell no. Me and Vani was never.
So good intern and your policeman where you fuck you and come lock me up. So good girl. Maybe beg you not free fuck out. Maybe beg you not free dirty girl. No pay my blood clot money. How the fuck me want my lash them for do? From December 8th you go tell me wait till December 22. Suck a Dora. I never beg you not yet, bitch. I always come up my money. So if me you feel like more and left and when you do me lash them, what am me behind them a bun me? When you do me lash them, I can't see for 1 hour. And that's not the problem when I go because you don't want to do them. Because you think me not have no lash, I'm going to find somebody who can do the work. And if me find somebody who can do the work, I'm going to come back to you now. How is it a problem so I want to return? Me owe you an obligation to stick with you for the rest of my life? Me owe you an obligation intent to stick with you for the rest of my life? You have all these problems and you don't come to me, come say it, you chat me in a Telegram. And when I text you a while ago, you act like you don't know what the people them are talking about. I'm here now. Come in and I read this, you know. One thing me know, even if you say she don't, what's that? A fall. She go fine, yes, cause she and Rebel was so cool. Me don't know what she talk about you say now. What? One thing me know, even if you say she don't, can't see about this, so a fall. She go fine, yes, cause she and Rebel was so cool. Me keep ice one and 2 times and not even in my house. Me never make Vani come. Me meet her in the parking lot.
Friends?
I have nothing against her, but from you see how people stay, you must deal with them accordingly. Laugh follow me know.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more and then we're going to move on to the next.
What say she like her, she will talk how things go all. If it make she look bad, I would have said she good for make up story, then come after, come laugh and say nothing no go so. She and her friend them that talk. First thing first, intent. I could get into it. Intent. You're the most mix-up person I ever seen in my life. You're a little liar. You're a little liar. I mean, I start clap my blood clot tea now. Intent. The first time I come in your yard for do me lash them when Kaya do me ear. You don't have a ear shop. You don't have no lash shop. At your house you do your lash. So where was I supposed to go? I book me appointment for do me lash. You give me an address. When me get the address, at your yard. At your yard that me go when me get your address. Yeah? Your yard that me go when me get your address. Kai do me ear up there in the same yard too. Me go in your house, me know how in your house look. Me could talk everything go down in the line. Cause me never ask to come and knock your yard. Yard do lash is supposed to have a place for cam. Wrong or right shot. Yard do people lash. You're not supposed to hire a hot girl. You're not supposed to go rent one little place and can do somebody lash. She move me have her current address. Me go talk about it and we go down in it.
Somebody's gonna see and come and say, Ross, Missy Jakes and Rose, yes. And people don't know the reason why they have to co-parent. I'm gonna tell you why, but we're not gonna get in it. You understand?
Me know why, but me know why get in it.
Yes.
I'm sassy. I want to get in your brain. Let me get in your brain a little.
I don't have a time. I have 1 minute.
Oh,
yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Give me half a minute. I am a mother and I'm divorced, right?
Yes.
So, suppose I had lost custody of my child. They lost custody of the child. None of them have custody. I agree that they have to have a line of communication. So in case of an emergency, because remember, Sassy, this is the same person who analyzing.
Yes. Yeah, but let me tell you something. We're losing it.
Emergency, because they shouldn't be talking unless there's an emergency. Because if the children need anything, they can go to each parent. Right? They're old enough. But in case there's a line, if there's a case of emergency, there should be a phone, a number, or a way to contact each other to speak about their children. That can't change. What I am saying is, for him to have her on his TikTok page gifting, him should have blocked she long time. How can he block people who are upset with him, who have been supporting him, giving to him?
Cherry, I get too emotional. Hear what me I say. So you expect said Jakes and Rose not to communicate. That's what you're saying, right?
They have to do it on live.
All right, they have to do it on live. Okay.
I never said that. I said
so them can communicate on phone behind.
But she should be on his page gifting him. He shouldn't accept no gift from her, Sassy. None. Not from somebody
who say everything was a lie then. No. If that's the case, because me would have feel away her cussing and style me a certain way and me just accept gifts, so no, so that makes me a lesser man if me do that. Me couldn't do that. Sorry.
That makes we don't know. I don't know.
That don't make sense, Sassy. If they want to co-parent, keep it off of the media and co-parent when nobody have to know. Because at the end of the day, the people them in a CV know them business. Can we get one big piece of sitting today? Oh, Rose, when you want to talk, you know. But the same Rose
later, guys. Later.
Take care, sweetheart.
Later when
Yeah. Me no care. Me not hold nothing for blood clot. The same Rose where yesterday want invest in a Jake's blood clot house, and it shall come on social media can talk about Jake's at this and Jake's at that. Why Rose go down? Why Rose talked to him last night or whenever he talked to him and say, "Oh, I want to give you money towards your house," and then she come on social media can style blood clot Jake's. Hey Roselee, you have enemy in your blood clot camping on them. I come tell me, you know.
Try know that.
Tell me, you know. You know, why you go sleep? Why you go sleep with the man? And there's a video out there with you asleep with the man. There's a low back or
yeah.
Oh, you asleep with yellow man. Make the man video you. That's why the kids then gone back in a see the blood clot because of what you do to yellow man. And she don't want to take it no more. And when she hear Diamond talk, and she knows that Diamond talk too, because the videos are said all over. So when the people they tape out, they throw. Can me see it? Me see it.
What a worthlessness.
What a nice.
I didn't even talk about you, that girl Roselee. You're not that girl Roselee. Because you suck every wood in the community and I go on like you're that girl and you break homes. You break homes. I don't want things for me know because a whole heap of things for me know. And if you Jakes, you better wrap up this blood clot quick. You better wrap up this blood clot quick.
Yes, let's start feed her back and cook back rice for her.
Ask me who is Yellow. Yellow is the woman that went to her house the other day and she disrespected the woman, the one that was looking after her kids.
Oh, kids them.
And under disrespect that Rose gave her, she took Yellow's baby father and slept with him, guys. So everything going here, Dama come and say it's true because there's a video out there. There is a video out there with blood clot Roselee and Yellow man in a bed, in a blood clot bed. And the same people were in a Roselee camp are the same ones who are sending out the video. The same ones that talk about her. The same one that talk about her CDA business. That's why she run got to Jakes yesterday and said, I want to invest in your house. Can you help me? So when you hear Rose go like she big bag and ball, you go get take down, girl. You better know what you do. You better sit down. You go hear out. Me not cover up for no girl and no boy out here.
But everybody come matter. When you see she come talk about the sanitary napkin when she give look the girl, what's your name? You know she's Shannon body. Yeah, what is that? That's typical.
Now let me tell you something, guys. You see, Akeem don't go to Rose. Akeem don't sleep with Rose. So don't make nobody come talk about, oh, he sleep with her.
Not at all. Not at all.
No, he not.
When he get catching a bed with a woman for true. Everything what Dama come and say is the truth because the same people who get information is all over. You see, all Toto and Munchi. Hey.
Them let out our secret. And them same one let it out.
We will find out.
And them same one let it out.
And
no more.
Thank you.
Especially the Munchi.
Yeah. She can do anything because she style up her baby father and she got her baby father behind closed doors. I asked him, but I want to invest in your house. And the good thing Jake said no. That's the one thing we can read about Jake right about no. When Roselee come to him and asked about money in the house, he said no, you don't want it. So you got to take the line from her, this blood clot man. You better send it blood clot.
Tanika, he refused.
Alright, my people tell me what you think in the comment section. As me say, if Jakes go back to Roselee, I go lose support. And me say this to also, who are we to judge? You know what I mean? If a man want back him woman, make him go on. You see it? Because at the end of the day, them have two youth together. You see me? And the home function better and the youth them grow better when them grow up in a two-parent home. You see me? So let me know what you think, my people. I go watch some more.
He refused the money, the investment money in a house. He said, you know what, nobody to invest in a house, he might do it. But you and then
you can't tell lion.
Let me tell you something. You can't stop the lion from coming on. But me go watch and see if he can get back to her. Me go watch.
Right. Oh my phone.
The lion is a style dimer. At the end of the day, he's not supposed to keep it because he knows that lion is not genuine. He know that line is not genuine.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Let me say this. I think Rose knows exactly what she's doing.
Of course.
This girl is really a devil.
Yes.
For one, she see that because Jakes is so quiet and he do things slow.
The internet,
internet, yes.
Over the like, she and Jakes is having something behind, just like how she was doing with Akeem, to pretend like she and Akeem was having something. She deep down, I believe Jakes and I don't have no relationship other than with the kids. But she don't want it to look like that. She wanted to seem like Jakes is on her side. When the only part that I saw that because it was my aunt that called me, and said, Mavine, you know that I don't like what Jakes do? And I said, what? And when she tell me come on live because I'm at work. And I came on live just the same and start seeing, look at the recordings. So from there now, I realized what was going on. She's very smart. She know how to use the app. And we have to understand. Yes, this is good when we talk out that Jakes realized what we don't like. He made a mistake. Yes, he did make a mistake by saying mute everybody that called Diamond and Rose's name. Yes, but I'm saying, look at it. Remember, Jake said, she said if they even talk back, he would have never go back to Rose after everything. He said it's not like it was in the house. Everybody, the whole entire world heard what she does. Remember again, when she started to cuss Jakes, remember Jakes never come out. Jakes never come out and cuss, Everybody has said, Lord, look how Jakes quiet. That is his personality. That is to show that he wasn't the aggressor from day one. Just sit down and just look into your self and try to picture Jakes as the person he is. Yes. Jakes is very quiet and you all don't, and he's a very loving person. But let me tell you something. I don't believe Jakes is going back. Jakes didn't even know that she was. And if you realize another thing with Jakes, he's very respectful. Rose have to go all out with him for Jakes answer her the other day. Look how she disgraced him.
Nico.
And she okay, if you want to know who Jakes really is, look back. You remember the time when Rose and Jake was online?
Miss Hollywood, what you say now?
We don't want to know who Jakes is. Listen to what me I said here, say. A whole heap of people upset with Jakes and whatever. So basically, me I look into everything that happening. If we have to be fair, we have to in all of this we have to be fair. We don't like Roselee. We don't like Roselee. All I know we don't like Roselee or whatever. And we rate Jakes or whatever. And we should do to Jakes, it hurt all the way. But in all of this, Jakes basically have 2 kids with where we call her a devil or a demon or whatever we want to call her. But he has 2 kids with this devil, this demon, this wicked girl, blah 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 blah.
We understand that.
Him kids them are gonna get, and we have to be fair, him kids them are gonna get take away. So me gonna tell it like his pride and his joy. Him 2 kids them when walk go school. Him 2 kids them when walk go school. Him 2 kids them when cook breakfast for every morning. Him 2 kids them when feed every day. And Roselee don't care.
And it took
hold on now, let me talk.
She finished now. Give her a chance.
Opportunity now for this man. The girl, I'm gonna give her the kids. Yeah, Roselee speak to the girl, man or whatever. Yellow and Rose have to go take up that part of that situation there.
Right.
Jakes basically have to name him shit then. For him 2 youth them. And me believe say that him a do. Me not believe Jakes want Rose in, and only for people are gonna look on it a certain way, but for social media and for where people are gonna think if you talk to Rose, you are gonna turn your back and make the people them go back in the system. That's why
Holly, me not understand what you said.
Let me tell you, go on, Cherry.
I understand what you said. Hold on.
Me talk plain. The man them with that woman, nobody no like the woman. You listen to me, miss.
Me understand that.
The man there with that woman, nobody no like the woman. The woman's a dog, she's a drunk.
We know.
The man having kids,
understand.
The man, listen now, man, the woman, kids them and the man kids, they with them godmother. Whatever.
Yes.
The godmother go give out the picnic them and whatever. Remember the man talk and say him look youth come to him and cry the morning when them a go see there because the little boy feel like say then did I go back because them been have problem with the lady and Rose to this is not the first time. So this man Roselee come and she class the man and she degrade the man and she do all manner evil to the man. But he's not looking at Roselee now. He might look upon him kids them and we can't blame him.
But we accept that. But what does that have to do with not speaking to Roselee when it's not necessary?
Him cannot marry. Listen, you see, until those
Hollywood, we never said malice.
Nico, listen to me. Let me talk to Nico now. Let me talk to Nico.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you your answer. It has nothing to do with not. We never say she not to talk. Him not to talk to her not at all. And not that the gripe. The gripe is that him should have her blocked. He should never block nobody off him page today who support him because of Roselee.
Miss Cherry, and you. These are 2 children. These are whether Roselee's a dog shit.
Alright, well, people, tell more what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more and then move on to the next cam. More to the hear what Jah Prayer have to say about Jakes. You know what I mean? Him have some terrible things to say about Jakes and Roselee, people. Make you watch some more and then we go over there.
The man
we never see
and I be a mother.
Alright, hold on.
I didn't see a baby mother at the gym. I know you not make no sense.
Let me
You're
talk.
not making no earthly
Hold on.
sense.
Me I disconnect everybody cause you see all of this what going right now. Sorry, Cherokee. Me I take it down. Me soon take you up. Me I go talk. Because when una say a fuckery, and me I go talk. When una say a fuckery, the whole of una we talk about him supposed to, if I'm me, then the kids they are going right in a CD. You know why? I know me cause it as the father. I know me cause it. So basically you been to tell me say Roselee win then. A Rose win, you know. That means say anytime Roselee come class him, nobody know fi defend him blood clot, you know. Nobody know fi defend him blood clot, you know. Because when he did want to help her, she was pushing him away. No, you want him for help you now because there is nowhere to turn. Move on a blood clot and come off of my life. Then the kids have to go stay a night in a blood clot CD economy center there. And because of the mother's choice of words, put them in there. What do you mean by co-parent? Co-parent what? Suck yourself with that. What do you mean by? But you have to co-parent. Co-parent way. Any old Rose come out on this in the worst way. Him have to take that and hold that blood clot. What do you mean? She go to Akeem and left her family of 12 years because she say abuse. And the same abuser is going to be your blood clot savior. Roselee, you win a blood clot. But any day you come out con class Jakes, I don't sorry for him. Hangle your bangle and class out in dirty blood clot. You going to talk about him after co-parent. After co-parent, wow. Wow. And then we dip on the live and I see people who rate Jakes. And him a tell him moderator for block them. Me know somebody will support Jakes right now. Come in on my blood clot images and say the way how then shoot for blood clot Jakes. And then get blocked because then cuss Roselee on him platform today. She weak. She blood clot. I don't care if the man loving kids. Him should have never bring them on the blood clot internet. She should have never bring them on the internet. We should have never hear about this blood clot thing ya. What you mean? What you mean by? What you mean by? Me say, me never said no picnic. If I me was a father, then picnic I go suffer in a blood clot CD coming and me put them in blood clot there. And me send them there. And the mama do it. And the mama blood clot do it. Because of the mama, everybody come down for me and say me a workless father. And me a this and me a that. And all them finger me and all of these things. And then you come to me and come talk about, oh, it's the kids. Then suppose they get back the kids now. She still go come up on class, blood clot Jakes. Then that make sense? She need to come out and make a public apology. She, Roselee, June, blood clot Jackson, need to come out and make an apology to blood clot Jakes. If I saw you want to get back the kids, where she need to go up on her live, and she need to make a blood clot video, and she need to say, Jakes, everything that I said about you, most of the things that I said about you, it was not true. I was just because I was vexed and so forth. Not even an apology, Rose make. So how you gonna come to me for ask me to save blood clot you, and you not even say sorry to me? You don't even say sorry to me, but you have to come round to come look for me for help you. Move on a blood clot. What do you mean if Jake's a god? Jake's a boss. But me I bring him down today because I like the move where he make a block him real people who support him for fuckery. For fuckery. Then why should I go to Jakes if Jakes is not a god? If Jakes is not a blood clot god, why should I look to blood clot Jakes for help? Remember she say Jakes is not the father, the uncle or the blood clot father. You forget? Me ready for Uno Roselee fans. Come. Me ready for blood clot Uno. Me ready for Uno. Come. Come I got deal with you by myself. Come, Uno come. What do you mean if Jakes and I got Jakes a blood clot god for she right now? Because right now, fit and destiny are film hands. What do you mean by? What do you mean by? Cause she can't get by the kids them ever. Cause the things I'm having on my phone with she. We send out from blood clot Sevio. Ain't no pretty. Ain't no blood clot pretty and she know that. That's why she crash out every minute and she ball to the dog. You know hear what she say? To the dog. She say, the dog a turn me back into a mother. Now which mother? Which mother will carry a child for 9 blood cleat months? I go turn to a dog and say you turn me back into a mother, you know. Then wait there. A mother is a 9 to 5. You check in and check out. You check it on blood clot, check out. That means that you never stop. That means that you never like your picnic them from the start. Because if you talk to the dog and say the dog are turning into a mother, so wait there, you never stop being a mother. All when you pick kids them away, me know people where all when them picnic at 40 and 50, they love them picnic. All Vaseline for him and the blood clot and baby oil. And that you talk about Narby. Narby where you say Jake's a PD in it. Yeah man, we know man. Your blood clot, yo. You come here. I go hold some on you today. You come here. Nice. Yes, man. Jake's a PD, man. You're not chickwe. You're not chickwe. We are talking about him. Them are organized criminal. So them use distraction to go on with the police them. Cause you see how the police them did say, oh, we're watching you, Jakes, and we think you're the better one or whatever. All of a sudden the criminal turn the better one. Jesus God Almighty. You know, see how them people are dangerous. All the police them run a trick pan. Yes, and I can tell you that you've been holding your composure very well. And you can't stay there. Yo, the police them move from coming at Roselee yard to search it every day for gun. For tell Jake say, we've been watching how you've been conducting yourself. Every blood clot ID parade where the police then have a sea view, then go pick up Jakes and carry go down. Ask anybody. I thought I lie be a tell. Every ID parade where the police them have them pick him up and carry him down. If ask people say, this one pick your pocket or that one. A him rob you or a him rob you. Oh. Them all in it together. That's why you hear brawling him a tell him chat say, none of uno. When him chat over there and I say, why you are Ray and I talk like this? Him say, no, I can't take the negative thing. All of a sudden, he can't take the negative thing. Hey, wanna realize how quick that the turn they make? Look how much months them over here with them negative fuckery and all of a sudden them can't take it. All of a sudden them want co-parent. Wanna make it make sense to uno, cause it need to make sense to uno. Wanna make it make sense to uno, no? Look how much months them over here like puss and dog are get uno money. Cause them know say uno love the mix up. And all of a sudden now, they must say, oh, we need to do it for the kids. Look how much months the kids them in a people and none out of the two of them not decide so them are going to co-parent together. But them decide now. Una now put this blame upon Roselee. Me I tell you the truth. Between the two of them where two of them have a plan and now the plan is executed, them are moved to phase final. Final phase. This is the final phase. Me say them in the final phase. I do not care what they do. These two people will always do the wrong thing because they're criminals. Yeah, final phase. Them in a fight, them a scam uno from day that. Uno can't come tell me nothing. No for uno shame cause uno gift him all the time. Uno fi put uno hand up. Uno nobody come over here with uno whole heap of excuse. No for uno because uno money in the house and Roselee a go poop in there. She a go shit in there. And she a go piss in the house. And I phone no money Roselee a go piss pan. Phone no money Roselee a go shit in her. And I phone no money Roselee out grinding her. When Jake skin out Roselee and I eat her out, I phone no money up the roof over on her head. Roselee defeat uno. Uno enough to talk. Don't comment. Tap on the eyes.
Alright, my people. Yeah, the man's a Jake, them a criminal, my people. Hey, and people, me not put nothing past them people up on TikTok, you know. Me not put nothing past them. You see me not condemn them or me not lift them up. You see me, just make me know what they think.
On money over Jakes. On money in the house. On work and that's all on do. On get prank. Take on beating. Roselee, Jakes pissing on the mouth. Roselee shit pound. At the truth. That's what happened to uno. That not happened to all heap of us. Because we're not stupid. But that happened to all heap of uno.
And you can know who it happened to. Everybody wanna see with the excuse them, and them it happened to. Chat, follow the people them will like a come to boom. I wanna see them throw one roses. Nobody, me and a dog. You can't throw me in a bone. I who know it happened to. Cause I don't feel like say, oh, we're gonna throw 2 roses, man. You now go say no. I don't know if anything will work like that. Cause all of a sudden you don't have roses now. And gift and donut and no. Go get Jakes. Him need it more than me. Final, you know we say. Mark me word that have to happen over here. No matter what you want to say, Roselee live in another house there. What do you think Roselee are going to do? Live in a rent house? What will happen with Hakeem? You know, here Roselee done put it in motion, say she a try to get Hakeem out of her brain. Roselee set that in motion already. Nubian Queen, big up. Roselee set it in motion already where she say, boy, Hakeem, I want to get you out of my brain. And I'm serious. I swear on my kid's life, I want to get you out of my brain. That are the motion for just done with the whole Hakeem and the whole series thing. And them just gonna be friends. Remember say, Jakes was there when the series started. Hold on there. What if that happened? It's not gonna be nothing to me. But all I wanna go over the go dash on kind to him. We think him then they'll go back to Roselee. Una go hurt. Una na go come out and come talk it. When time Roselee and Jakes there. And if it happen, them they and me know. Me no hurt. Oh no, we say them not there. Oh no, I got hurt. Oh no, I got hurt. Oh no, can't talk over here, say oh no, I got hurt. Oh no, already shell out on a life to Jakes. Oh no, feel like say, oh, let's show no. You say Jake show no. This is where the house reach. Like no, now no go live in there. No, now no, not live in there. Ivany see the code already and tell Jakes. But I tell them. But they not, them have no sense, man. Me not, that distract them, I distract me from my work. Them not have no sense. Them I got hurt cause them shell down the whole place with Jakes. Thinking to say, Jakes are the better parents. Him all just get him picking them and it all be him and Roselee. Long time we know say they're gonna be Shantar, Barbz, Roselee, Jakes. Long time we know that. We know that long time. Come on now. It couldn't be another way. It only can be one way. One way alone it can be. A shame you not go shame. I truth. You don't understand how this thing works.
Which is fine. Me not lick nobody food out of them mouth. But me talk about co-parents. And money them I make together. Which is fine. Me not lick nobody food out of them mouth. But me just a
alright. Since I don't want to go on like a drop prayer, I'm going to choose here me, I said long time. No, we are sure everybody else. Make them see it. Who no see it, I go see it.
Talk about co-parents. And money them I make together. Which is fine. Me not lick nobody food out of them mouth. But me just a say. I mean I say you should have. And it's always so like say, alright, then you know want peace between them. But some people, me not tell you what to do, but some people you have to keep them at a distance, especially when they tarnish you so. Especially when they tarnish you so. Yes, them can compare because CDS said that. But the way how you defend her after she class you, thank your truth. Look how your company live when me say, remember when me said to him and he said, oh, my baby mother, normally we never would have get that out of you. Chat triple. To all the woman class here, you used to eat her. We couldn't get the you don't even say rose, you say flowers. Sure you don't want nothing to do with her. And now, I correct me this time, you know. When I say the girl come give you, when I say, him say, oh, my baby mother is a big correction that, you know, you not using a brain. People like them, they know, they keep a distance. Them say blood thicker than water. But that's make you know, say, me a friend, but me not really. We can't defend you no more. That's why they say, stay out of man and woman argument. We can't. We have to keep look at this time Friday. You're not safe for me now, cause you're not safe for me now. That's why enough time when time she all in the background. And
and I do something in this style. I don't know now look at a friend under the cover. But you see me not like the mic.
You hear that? When she in the background, I don't know like when she did a video him the day. Yeah, you remember one time she did a video him the day and a cuss. Yeah? She break the code, man. She take long for share. She take long for break the code. Me break that the code a long time. A long time me I telling her say all the while when Roselee and Jakes want rank the board. Roselee knows it from she cuss Jakes. She just want fee Jakes. Jakes name come with fear name. Two of them in the FYP. And they've been dominating the app. Between the Fantastic Four, Jakes alone. All the other rank of them just have to itch on pan Jakes' shirt. He's too calm. That's why you know. Because of him calmness, that just tell you say them in it together. That's how me did work it out. And nothing more. Yeah? Because he's not of that character. So we're not idiot. He's not of that character. So me did done work it out already. So him too calm through the whole situation. Me say it long time already. From day one. So the code where Vanya break right now, me broke that the code there already long time. She always in the background I try to make call up him name, said it him don't say Jakes, Virgin. No, he's not no calm guy. Me said from day one. Roselee don't want him already and say listen.
I'm a people. This is no robbery. You see what I say? This is no robbery. Them just sell a story and based on all the people them don't like Roselee, everybody gather up and rally around. You know what I mean? For push Jakes over Roselee. For me don't know where them get out of it, but hey, Jakes build a house out of them. You know what I mean? And maybe stack a little piece of money out of them. And them never stick up nobody and say give me this. So them can't blame nobody but themselves. Let me know what I think with people.
You say if you want to make it over here, so you have to make me tear you down. That Roselee tell him. Roselee say if you want people to like you, you have to make me tear you down, cause that's how people end up like me. Because remember say people like Roselee because them think say other people tear her down. You don't get it? Other people tell her say she's fat. Other people tell her say she big and so and swatty, she crave, she this. That's how people start to get to like Roselee. Because them think she a go through too much. She come over here, she tell her business, say Jakes a beat her, Jakes a use her money by front. She cuss her family. She said Jakes sleep with her mother. Roselee tell Jakes say, if you want to be big pan the app, bring down. Look pan Hakeem. The moment the people them start bring down Hakeem and figure it out, them are the bigger them get pan the app. The moment the more people say him a fish and him a this and that is the code pan the app on off and know. That's why you always see them have to try some form of bring down. Why you think Kavi never did have to come on the internet and start talk about her baby father and bun and this a girl and that the girl. Everybody, most of the little people them are run with that. That's why you see them always video everything. And he never a long time more hold you. Come here. More hold you a long time. You come here. More hold you. Me tell you. Me know me not go hold you, man. I hold your blood clot, yo. At 2,500 times, me see you go shoot for Jakes. Me don't want you over here, lady. I want to you. You lift up from here, so me I wait for you all long. Blood clot stay there. You know how me I see one about humiliation. So them, I pick it up again because oh no. And I saw you see him start get big. You hear me I tell you now? When I not hear my talk about, oh, big up Cheryl and Cheryl at this, I don't know, inbox me shoot at them, card cleaner. We don't want to hear nothing from you. Go away. We are no idiot. When things did I get hot, and the police them a look for him fly out. It never have to do nothing with no calm, no brain. Him know the police them did want him. And that's why you see him cut, go cool out. You don't know about the cool out. You don't know about the cool out. One of the things that Jakes fly away, one of them talk about the whole of that when Roselee talk about the plane or whatever. Cool out, he go cool out because the police them want him. And see police them did go him the yard there, everything and him and say, oh, why you are this and why you are that? Some of the time, me, I just told me no like to talk all for things because I can't talk to you some of the time, because you don't really get the things them. You don't get it. Oh, I go on, sir.
Oh, thank you. You don't have?
No, sir, I don't want to know.
Why?
Come, I said so.
Stop talking right now.